Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Finally, here's the complete hands-on video of the Galaxy S21 FE, which is both anticipated and unanticipated at the moment. Everyone is excited for the Galaxy S22 series right now, however, this is a phone that deserves to be noticed. I not only have the hands-on, but there is also a complete unboxing demonstration. Although the firm has delayed the phone longer than expected due to the chip shortage, it appears that practically everyone has lost interest in this phone at this time, and the reason has been waiting for this phone for far too long. Moving on to the phone, this video is posted by this guy on Twitter. The phone resembles the S21 Plus from its family from front to rear. The main difference is that the camera is bumped to the back panel similar to the Galaxy A series of 2021. And when it comes to the unboxing, this video was uploaded on HD Vlogs YouTube account. Looking at this, it appears that the device will be shipped without the charger brick and will only include a Type-C cord. Samsung appears to be considering this concept for all of their upcoming products, even upper mid-range phones. Not only that, but the S21 FE is becoming viral on the internet, and I have also obtained some images of other unboxing and hands-on images of the phone in green color. Looking at it, I am getting a little drawn to it. Keeping the specs in mind, the phone is still worth purchasing in 2022. Following the official January 4 announcement, this bad boy is currently expected to be on sale as early as January 11, 2022, at least in some areas throughout the world according to the various reputable sources. However, Samsung has pushed the phone's release date so many times since August 2021 that we won't be surprised if the S21 FE 5G is postponed once more time until late January or early February. If this happens again, the Snapdragon 888 CPU will be practically impossible to distinguish from the quicker Galaxy S22 Trio with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 inside, which is widely predicted to reach daylight by the end of the Feb. Although pricing speculations has been touched all over the place recently, the most basic Galaxy S21 FE variant is expected to cost $699 in the United States, which an additional $50 or $70 giving you a 8 gigs of RAM and 250 gigs of internal storage space. That doesn't sound too awful, but after all, this time it might be complaining either. What are your thoughts on this S21 FE hands-on video? If you are one of the people who is still waiting for this phone, let me know in the comments section below. With that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.